Hey guys, it's your Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Well, season's greetings. It is time to decorate my tree, and also I want to show you how I made this tree collar out of cardboard from the Dollar Tree. Yes guys, I went to go get a collar and they were gone and they were sold out everywhere. Yeah guys, they are very expensive. So I made this beautiful collar for my tree. It's something that's temporary, just for this season, but I'm going to show you briefly how I did and how I blinged it out. Alright guys, enjoy the video. I'm not going to really talk through it too much. I'm just going to decorate my tree and show you how briefly it took me to make this tree collar. Alright guys, welcome to my channel, and if you're not a subscriber, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Your Mooregirl will love you and her family. Alright guys, it's your Mooregirl, and I'll see you soon. Alright guys, it's Mooregirl channel. Well, today I am going to finally do this Christmas tree. So I have this 6-foot tree I got from the Goodwill. Okay, and it was really a Walmart tree, and it was brand new. So I am going to decorate my tree. So this is a decorate with me, but because I did this special little project that I will show you, and stay at the end of the video and I'll show you how it is done. All right, so this is my color theme. I have my silver, I have my cranberry, I have my gold, and I have my picks, and I have bling wrapped my ribbon. I have my Z Gallery, I have my churches from Dollar Tree. So basically this is all that I need for my tree. guys, I'm just going to show you briefly how I did this tree collar I made with materials that I already have and poster board from the Dollar Tree. It is inexpensive to do, and again, you could bling it however you want. All right, guys, let's get started. So the only thing you're going to need is you're going to need a ruler. I'm using some poster board. I'm using 4 poster boards. They were 50 cents each at Dollar Tree. You're going to need an X-Acto blade, scissors, material, and this craft fuse that I got from Walmart. And you see me haul this the other day. And you can also need a hot glue gun. Well, I'm using the material because I was going to do my table runner, so this is already cut. So instead of doing my table runner like this, I'm decided instead of trashing this and making it out of the scrap, I figured let me reuse this. So I already fused this together. So this is what it looks like. I actually thought the craft fuse fuses 2 materials together, but it does not. When you iron it on, it just fuses one side. But what it does, it makes it stiff. Before you glue anything together, make sure your material and your board is the same width and it fits under the tree. Since the poster board is so thin, I'm gluing 2 of them together just to make it a little sturdier. And make sure, and again guys, this is only just temporary, just so I can do just a collar for this year. There's nothing that would keep for the, for the following year since it's so thin. Basically, all you have to do is iron the craft fuse to the material. Just make sure it is trimmed below the material so you don't see it, show under the tree. Also, it's all kinds of instructions how to use this. Basically, you have it on a high heat, you place it on your material, and then you use the steam feature. Everything is cooled and dried. Basically, only thing you're going to do is adhere the hot glue, the fuse to the poster board. When you get to this point, before you glue, of course, the material to the poster board, if you want to add ribbon, this is the time to do it. I add ribbon afterwards to look like a belt with a blinged out little button. Okay guys, that was it. If when you want to attach the whole collar around, I just add hot glue gun, or you can add a Velcro, whatever you want. But this is the final project. I hope you like this video of my tree and my tree collar. Alright guys, don't forget, if you're new to my channel, please like, share, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. This is your Mooregirl, and thanks for watching.